Hello guys, and welcome to another video. And I'm gonna show you my bird I caught earlier today. You could barely see him in there. Oh, there he is. I don't know what he's doing. I'm gonna get up on this chair so I can show you guys, so you can see him better. Oh yeah, that was my table that I put up for him. And there's a little piece of food for him, but he hasn't ate it yet. So I'm gonna get right into the video. And I tried to do a tour last night, but it was too long, and my mom had to delete it. And that's my trampoline. And it was really dark, but now it's really bright. Odd. There's my tree fort. And after this video, in a couple minutes after this, probably, I'll do a video about, well, a Sonic game on my Xbox. Whoops, just covered the camera there for a second. Now, if you watched my video before this, I think it was called Cat on Trampoline. My trampoline wasn't there, it was there. Anyways, I'm gonna get right into that trail. I'll pause the video until I do it. And yes, I know I paused the video a lot. And yes, it is all... Oh. There's my 10 out there. I don't know why it is out there. Oh, maybe because my dad was gonna take me camping this weekend, which will be fun. I don't know why he put it up here though. I don't know. Anyways, this is our trail. As you can see, it doesn't look finished, but it actually is finished, and it is kind of messy. And then you can see just right through there. And then that's the end of my trail my dad made for me. Now I'm gonna pause the video and go tell my mom that the tent is out. Okay, I told my mom, and then now my grandma's coming out here with me. There she is. Yeah, on the video before this that I tried to make but didn't work.
Oh my goodness.
It didn't work, and that one, she up because she didn't want.
The tent was seen.
Yeah, she doesn't want to get seen. So now we're getting closer up to the tent. And, oh, yeah, there's the opening.
Done? Done? I can take the tent home. My gosh. So this is where you're supposed to camp, is in the woods, right?
Yeah, let's leave it here.
Oh.
Okay, I'm gonna pause the video so I could help my grandma. Okay, helping her didn't work that much. Now I'm just going to watch. Grandma, have you ever wanted to be on a YouTube video?
Grandmas don't want to be on YouTube. No.
So what? Okay, I think I should finish my tour so this video doesn't end up like the last one. Okay, I don't think it will. It's only 3 minutes and some seconds. Almost 4 minutes. Yep, it's 4 minutes about now. Mom's car. My dad had to go to work. My grandma's car. Greenhouse. Woodshed. Well, yeah, it's a woodshed. Golf cart. Okay, sorry guys, that I paused the video. I had a comment. My sister commented me. Okay, now I'm gonna finish the tour. That's our huge yard. Yes, it's not that big, but yeah, there's our Meow Meow, the ornery little Meow Meow who hurt that bird. Yeah, you better run. Sorry, guys. I didn't really kick the cat. I just made it sound and look like it. Yeah, that bee sting that I got yesterday that I wanted to say that I got in that last video that I accidentally had to delete, that I made it too long. Those containers, it was a little bad after I put those containers in the garden. I got a bee sting on my foot, and last night it really itched, and this morning I put some calamine lotion on it, which is supposed to make it stop itching, but it didn't. Now I might quit the video and do the Sonic video, but yeah, I don't want it to be ending up like that one. And bye.